Hello, friend. You all are welcomed in Buddha's doctrine of Kshanikvad or momentariness. It is clear by Pratit Samutpadvad that if cause is ended, then its effect will be naturally ended. Such whole world is changed with changing duration of time. Thus, Anityavad comes to existence. Change is natural characteristic of the world. In Anguttar Nikaya, Buddha says, a person of who may be old, will be old. A person who may die will be dead. In the same way, things of the world which may destroy will be destroyed. Things which appear eternal are actually transitory. A person or thing which is great will surely die one day. Kshanikvad is the middle stage between Shashvatvad and Uchchedvad. Thus, life is also between being and non-being, Sat and Asat. Each thing or incident of the world occurs in a moment and dies in another moment. Things of the world are existent only when they have power to do work. Arth kriya karitvam lakshanam sat. Asat is just like flower in the sky, by which no any work may be developed. In particular time, in suitable circumstances, seeds are changed into plants, and those plants again are changed into trees. Hence, neither plants nor trees are sat or existent forever. If seeds are set, then they will cause of plants and tries for ever and will never require any suitable circumstances which is not possible. French philosopher Bergson has also accepted Kshanikvad, according to whom all worldly things are changeable. They change from moment to moment. Things are ever changing like the changing particles of water in a flowing river. Things are incidents are not suitable. These are very small theories of Buddha, and it is criticized as follows. Kshanikvad is the opposite theory of law of causation. If cause is transitory, then they will have to consider that effects are emerged from what. This relation is this notion is self-contradictory. Kshanikvad is against the law of karma. Suppose A has stolen money, who becomes B for the another moment. This B is different from A, so B will not be punished for the uh, deeds of A. Thus, ethical and administrative discipline will be impossible and social life will be destroyed. Kshanikvad is also against of kriti pranas and akritabhyugam. On the basis of Kshanikvad, salvation is impossible because another person will get it, but not the person who has adopted discipline to get salvation, since he has changed into another principle for the next moment. If Mumukshu is changeable. Memory and acquired knowledge are impossible on the basis of Chanikvad for want of stability. Chanikvad makes the bondage and liberation impossible. Neither bondage nor liberation is stable, so we should not try to get salvation. This is finished. This is a smallest theory of Buddha's and full of contradictions. So it is being criticized in many ways. Okay, friends, matter is finished. We are just coming in the theory of Anatmavad.